Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to shade with oil pastels. Here I have taken different shades of colors like yellow, blue, green and red. Here we will start with three different shades of blue and let us see how applying different techniques will learn that how to blend these colors with each other. Let us start with dark blue and followed by a lighter blue tone. Should not leave any white space in between two strokes of colors. It should be mixed with each other. After three layers of colors of different shades of blue, I am applying white color and the white layers should overlap on the other layer of the color so that it will blend with each other properly. Here I am using a tissue paper to blend the colors. You can see how I am folding the tissue paper and you have to rub on the page in the same direction as you have applied the colors. Here I have taken a yellow color and we'll see with how to blend those colors with applying a different technique. Instead of tissue paper, you can also use your finger to smudge or to blur or to blend the layers of colors with each other. When you are applying color, be careful that you should not leave a white space within two strokes. It should be gradual. It should be from left to right or in any direction, and it should not leave any space in between two strokes. You can also use a piece of cloth to blur or to blend the layers of colors. Keep in mind that when you are rubbing with a piece of cloth, it should be diagonally so that it will be easy for you to blend the layers of colors with each other. If you rub from left to right, then you will get a little bit problem while you are rubbing, smudging the layers of colors. For oil pastel, normally we use a paper with textures so that it will be easy for you to blend the layers. If it is a smooth paper, then you will get a little bit problem to smudge or to blur or to blend the layers of colors with each other. You can also rub your finger with a piece of cloth in a circular motion to blend the layers of colors with each other. When you are doing a landscape, you may need to color the layers of grass. So here I have shown you a technique how to shade the grass so that you will get a textured layer of colors instead of a smooth one. Here you don't need the above shown techniques to smudge the layers, as you need a textured layer, and somewhere you can use your finger to blur the layers with each other a little bit. Let us move to the next technique, which is called stippling. So here, instead of applying the colors in a scraping motion, we will apply the color using dots, as you can see. When you want a very dark portion, you need to apply more dots, or you need to put more dots and very close to each other so that you will get dense area or dense layer of color. When you need a very light tone, you have to apply dots apart from each other so that you will get a light tone. To get a blending layer, you need to put few dots of the middle layer on the top and on the bottom. Few dots you need to put on the top and bottom layers so that the middle layer will blur with both the layers easily. You can use this technique for a grassland or a field in your landscape. Apart from your finger, a piece of cloth, you can also use a cotton bud to blur the layers or to smudge the layers of colors.